Today I'm going to be doing the Tati Westbrook 10-minute makeup challenge, and I'm going to be using, of course, my Blendiful for majority of my makeup, but I'm also going to add a few other little tools for other things basically. So if you want to see what kind of makeup look I'm going to create for this beat up face in 10 minutes, keep on watching. Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxing, skincare, and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I'm actually going to be doing the Tati Westbrook 10-minute challenge. Just recently, earlier this week, she actually uploaded a video doing a 10-minute makeup look, and I thought about it. I'm like, it's been a very long time since I've done a 10-minute makeup look for myself, and I want to do it. Right now, we're all home. We don't have very much to do, and my kids are being so sweet and cooperative and said, Mommy, you can film, you know, they'll be quiet. So I was like, yay, thank you, sweeties. So my daughter is actually gonna put a 10-minute timer. She's over there with her phone flashing. She's gonna put a 10-minute timer for me and basically yell at me when I hit my time. But she's also gonna be giving me like a 2-minute countdown. So like, you know, like, yeah. So I'm very nervous because typically I do my brows the last time I filmed this, I did my brows in advance. So I'm a little nervous. I don't know how it's gonna come out. I did make sure to somewhat prepare and have my goodies all in here. So yeah, but anyways, you guys, let's get to it and let's see where I end up, okay? Anyways, okay, I need to hit that timer. 3, 2, 1. All right. Oh my gosh, I just realized I need a mirror. Would you give me my mirror?
Where is it?
It's over there by the palettes. And I'm not gonna be editing this, you guys. I'm just gonna go straight, like legit. So, thanks, babe.
Do you want the Jeffree Star one?
Nah, that's actually, yeah, give me my Jeffree one.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. Next, for foundation, I'm gonna go into my Wander Beauty. I'm not even looking where I'm applying. Use the Blendiful. Like, Annie, I just realized I forgot my powder.
Oh my god.
I know. Oh my goodness. I know. I haven't worn makeup in so long. Yeah, that powder. Thank you, babe.
Go.
Thanks. Ah, so good to have helping hands today. Okay, since I don't have time to do two, I'm gonna use the Kosas. How much time do I have?
You got about 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh. Holy shit. I wasted too much time blending my foundation. Okay. I'm going to use my cream contour. Shit, did too much. I'm gonna put blush. This is so stressful.
2 minutes.
Shit. Okay. I'm gonna put some lip product. Get some of that powder off my lips. I'm gonna go in with my Gerard. I think this is wild berry.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
Ah. One minute. Need to put some tint on my brows.
So did you do your brows first?
Sometimes. Today, no, because I knew I would mess them up even more. That's okay. Yeah, I did finish. Oh my goodness. Well, I was close. If I could have just finished my brows, this would have been a decent natural makeup day. All I needed was 1 more minute. So I'm just gonna finish off my brows and I'll be right back, you guys. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to lightly fill in my brows so they look complete. But I think this was a pretty fun challenge. My kids had fun because they got to make fun of me for not finishing in 10 minutes, but it's okay. But it was a lot of fun. Has anyone, you know, for most people, which are typically in a rush, or right now, again, we are all kind of being forced to stay in hibernation because, you know, there's an epidemic going on right now. So maybe we just want to at least put a fresh face so that we don't feel drabbish all day. And honestly, this would be a nice natural look to be just hanging out in the house. Or maybe you do have to leave the house and go get some essentials like groceries or something like that. You know, just make sure during this time that we're all kind of stuck in a bubble in our homes, that make sure you take care of yourself. Don't, you know, try not to fall into a depression, because right now I definitely understand that being at home all day 24/7 is very daunting. It gives a lot of anxiety to people, especially those that are used to going out or used to going out for runs or being more active and social. It can be very difficult for someone. So always try to find something to do at home. Make sure you all stay safe right now. But yeah, everyone take care, and I will see you guys very soon. I'm sorry the uploads have been delayed, but again, with everything going on in the world, my kids being out of school, my husband ended up starting to work from home because we're in California, and actually we're in the San Francisco area. So we had been on a 24-hour lockdown for the last week, basically, at this point, that I had to change the way I filmed. So It's a coordination event between my entire family for me to film actually, but we're making arrangements this way I can begin uploading again at least 3 times a week, which was my original plan. So going forward, I will make sure to have content on Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. Keep a lookout for my community page, because right now I am uploading like the sales and promos or anything that I see that is worthwhile in my opinion. Honestly, with the 21 days of beauty for Ulta, this week has been horrible. Like the only day in my opinion that was decent was Monday, was the first day, which was Sunday, but most of the other sales haven't been that great. And but yeah, thank you all so very much. Again, please stay safe, take care, and I will catch you guys all in the next one. Goodbye.